Maggie to the rescue!
Hey everybody! Maggie and I are back with bag number 2 of the thrift store haul that I have of Barbies and Disney dolls. This is the first bag. I've already gone over that, so be sure to go to the channel and see what we have in there. And then I also have a bag of clothes that I got for $2 as well that will be a third video. So I really haven't looked at these dolls since I just chose Belle and Barbie to do a restoration on them. So this is new and fun for me as well. I already see a Barbie in here. Let's see what we've got. Pretty. Look at this hair. I love the two-tone. So there's a golden blonde in here and a platinum blonde. That might not need much restoration. It's crimped and soft, but that'll be fun to style. She looks like she's in okay condition. A little bit of stain removal needed. And I'm looking through my lens, and the color of her body is more peachy. For some reason, my camera makes everything look a little bit more orange than it is. Her face is sort of a more pink color, though, than the rest of her body. I wonder if she's also a rocker doll. I had one in the last bit. She's got her fancy earrings. Wonderful. Put her here. Let's see. Oh, I see a boy doll. Handsome. Wow, look at those thighs. Twist and turn, bent arms. Knees do not bend. Great legs. So I think he's probably a Disney prince. Let's see. It's Disney. Yes. He's a Disney prince. So maybe in the bag of clothes there's some clothes for him. I sure hope so. If not, I will look out for some for him. He's not really going to need any restoration. Well, he has a little stain on his chin, but not much. Pretty. I like this color hair. So this is the more shiny hair, a newer doll. I think this is a fashionista. Cute little swimsuit. Look at that. Little beaded top. So the flat feet, that's so cute. She's got stains. I'm going to try my method of stain removal on her. Nice. By the way, I did not get these at Lotless. That's just the bags that they put them in. Got them at a local thrift store. So this is also a fashionista. I think this is exactly like one that was in the other bag. Maybe I'll make them twins. So she needs some cleaning up and stain removal. Again, flat feet. I like this hairstyle. I have to keep that. She does need shampoo and salon time. Put her over here. Thank you, Maggie. Okay. Oh, I see a Disney character. This is Mulan. She's got beautiful long hair. That'll be fun to style. Pretty. And I guess this is her original dress. It's a little cheap feeling, actually. I don't mind it, but if I can find something else, I might, just because it doesn't quite have the quality I think she deserves. Pretty. Okay, let's do this. All right, what else? Another boy. Ken. Well, this Ken looks very vintage. Doesn't he look more 70s or 80s? Let's see what he says. It says Malaysia. I wonder if this was a reproduction doll. He has his fancy suit or tuxedo on. Here's the clothes. Look at that. Love it. And as you can see, he doesn't have an arm, but I think there's an arm in here. Yes. There's his arm, so I'll have to restore that. And I think I saw some Ken shoes. There we go. So he will get back to his former self. I'll have to do a little paint job on that. Here you go, Ken. Here's your arm, shoes. Classic Barbie. Twist and turn. Pretty face. This sort of strikes me as one of the holiday dolls. It'll be fun to take her hair out. Some child put that in there many years ago. I think she's from the 90s, 80s or 90s. Let's put her here. Oh, and a non-Barbie doll. I remember seeing her when I was picking these out. I think, let's see, what are these? Spin Master. Oh, Live dolls. I think that's what they're called. And there's this wig, but I don't think this is hers. I actually think this is a Barbie wig. Oh, here it is. I love her short hair though, but it doesn't look like she really needs any restoration, but she needs an outfit. But her hair definitely needs a little styling. Let's pop that in so it has the little hole where you attach the hair. Let's get that out. Look at that. She has a full head of hair. It's already got a little braided style, but obviously she needs some salon time. Dimensional color. Maggie's thrilled with her new friends. I can't wait to get started on restoring them, especially their hair. That's always so fun. And I'll do some stain removal. Like I said, I think I've come up with a new way to remove stains. I just did a test and it turned out really well, so stay tuned for that as well. So the next video will be of the bag of clothes. Hopefully there's some for these dolls. I think, since I got them in the same place, I'm hoping that it's actually their clothes. And also, if you haven't checked it out yet, go to the channel to see the first haul of dolls from the same thrift store. Okay, stay tuned. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Thank you.